Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an English accent. First, it's essential to understand the phonetic differences between Indian English and Standard English. Pay close attention to vowel sounds, as they are often the most noticeable distinctions. Practicing minimal pairs, like ship versus sheep, can significantly improve your ability to distinguish and produce these subtle sound variations. This foundational work sets the stage for more advanced accent refinement. Next, let's focus on specific consonant sounds. The TH sound, as in think or this, requires careful practice as it's often substituted. Also, pay attention to the R sound. In many English accents, it's non-rhotic, meaning it's not pronounced at the end of words or before consonants. Mastering sentence stress and intonation will make your speech sound much more natural and fluent, conveying meaning effectively. Immersion is key to developing an authentic accent. Listen extensively to native English speakers through podcasts, films, and news broadcasts. A powerful technique is shadowing, where you repeat what a speaker says almost simultaneously. This helps you mimic their rhythm and intonation. Regularly record your own speech and compare it to native examples. This self-assessment is invaluable for identifying areas needing further practice. Consistency is paramount for lasting accent change. Aim for at least 15 minutes of dedicated practice every single day. Explore online resources, such as pronunciation guides and phonetic charts, which offer detailed explanations and audio examples. For more targeted improvement, consider engaging with a qualified speech coach. Their personalized feedback can accelerate your progress significantly, helping you refine subtle nuances and achieve your desired accent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.